Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're digging into a specific free tool, Zoho Notebook,
Yep, we're looking at a 2025 review. The title basically asks, is this the best free note app you're missing?
which is a great question. Free is tempting, but is it actually good for managing your personal knowledge?
Exactly. So our mission today is to figure out the real value here. What's the trade-off? Because, free tools often have limitations.
Right. Is it good enough, or are you setting yourself up for headaches down the line?
That's the core question.
Okay, let's unpack it. The review starts pretty positive, right? What did it like straight away?
Well, the visuals and just how easy it is.
Yeah. It mentions the clean and simple interface, easy to get started with.
And the notes look like little cards, which sounds kind of minor, but the reviewer said it makes scrolling and organizing feel, I don't know, kind of fun.
That initial hurdle is real, so making it feel less like a chore. That's smart.
Definitely helps with adoption. But it's not just looks. Functionally, it does a lot for a free app.
Like, what can you actually do with it?
The source says it handles lots of formats. So plain text, obviously, but also checklists, sketches.
Sketches.
Yeah, quick drawings, audio notes too, and clipping stuff from the web.
Okay, that's pretty versatile and crucial for anyone listening. Does it work across devices?
Absolutely, that's a big one. Phone to laptop sync, the review says it works well.
Nice. No friction there.
And it's free, like really free. A lot of features for, well, nothing. Plus, if you're already using other Zoho tools.
The ecosystem benefit.
Right, it fits right in. Smooth integration there.
Okay, so far it sounds pretty compelling. Easy, visual, versatile, syncs, free.
It does. But this is where the review pivots. As they say, it's not perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
The inevitable but. Where did the problem start?
Well, the limitations seem to hit in a couple of key spots. First, just basic formatting.
What do you mean, like fonts and stuff?
Yeah, exactly. It's described as pretty basic. You're not going to get fancy fonts or complex layouts. Think simple text.
So if you want your notes to look a certain way, maybe visually structured.
You might find it limiting. It seems they prioritize simplicity and speed over, like, rich text editing features.
Okay, that's one thing. But what about finding information later? That's huge E for knowledge management.
Right. And that seems to be the bigger potential issue. Organization.
How so?
The review says searching works, but it's not amazing. And organizing beyond just basic notebooks, that can feel a little limited.
Not amazing search and limited organization. That sounds like it could get messy fast if you have a lot of notes.
It really could. If you can't easily find something you saved 6 months ago, what was the point of saving it, right? That's the risk with simpler systems as your knowledge base grows.
That's a really good point. What about working with others? Like sharing notes for a project?
Not its strong suit, apparently. Collaboration isn't great.
Yeah.
If you need, like, multiple people editing the same note at the same time, it sounds like it gets clunky.
Okay, so maybe not for team projects.
Probably not ideal. They also mention occasional sync lag. The reviewer said it's not a deal breaker for one person, but you can see how that would be frustrating for a team.
Right. So putting it all together, who is this actually for?
Well, connecting the dots. It seems like it's great if your priorities are free, really easy to use, and visually nice, maybe for someone starting out.
Or someone who just needs a quick capture tool, right?
Exactly. Good for personal note-taking or small projects, things where you don't need super advanced features.
And where heavy team collaboration isn't the main goal.
Precisely. It fills a niche, but you need to be aware of those limitations, especially the organizational ones.
Which brings us to that final thought, maybe something for you, the listener, to consider.
Given what the source says about those limits on advanced organization and search, if you build your entire personal knowledge system on this, are you really confident that future you, the one with way more notes, way more knowledge, will actually be able to find what you need years down the road?
That's the potential hidden cost, isn't it? The retrieval problem later on.
It's definitely something to think about when choosing any tool, especially a free one. Long-term retrieval is key.
Great point to end on. Lots to consider there. Thanks for breaking that down.
My pleasure.
We'll catch you on the next Deep Dive.